All right, this is going to be Mood for a Day by Yes, Steve Howe. So we're going to have a G chord to start with, 5, 4, 3, 3, little bar chord. We're going to go down, up, down on the F sharp chord there. So down, up, and then an F sharp chord down. So. Okay, so that's your first part, and it's going to go twice. So we got the down, up to the F sharp twice. Now this third time is going to go down, up, and then we're going to switch this chord slightly, 4, 3, 2, and open, so it becomes like an F sharp 7. So we're going to go, and that's down, up, down. Okay, so we're going to have down, up, down, and then we do the whole thing again. So 2 times full through the whole thing. Here's the second time. And then we have a new little riff come in. Okay, so that's 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, little 3, and then a B minor chord. So. And when we get to the B minor chord, we're going to have down, up. So we have. And then we have a riff. Now this one you could just go 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. But if you can get that bass in there with the 2 on the second string, which would be the 2 on the third string, then you have something representing the bass note that would be there in the guitar part. So we have, or just. Now our next thing we're going to do, we're going to go. So that was 3, 2 open on the B string with the G string open. Now here we went to the 4 in the bass with a 2 to 3 hammer on the second string to the little string there. So let's look at that again. We got, and this riff's going to happen a lot in the song. So, and then here we're going to have 4 and 3 to the 2 open on the B string, and then the 3 and 2. So that was. So the whole thing here from this riff. And then we're back into the riff. So all that was the same as the first time, but this time we're going to go. And once again, you could just go without trying to do that bass, but that bass would be that A note again on the G string, 2nd fret. And that was the same as before. And then this riff will repeat. Okay, so we already did that stuff. Let's look at that one more time through from the second time of the riff. Or you could have the bass. Now the third time of this riff is going to go different. We're going to stop on that 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that much so far. So it's going to go. Then we go 0, 2, 3, open, 0, 3, 4, open, 2, 4, open. So you definitely need the tab on this one. So probably download that tab. It'll help you out a lot. So once again. Once we get to that D, we got to come down. Okay, so that's this whole long kind of crazy riff. So 0, 2, 3, open, 0, 3, 4, open, 2, 4, open, and then little E, open, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, open, 0, 3, 4. And then we get into kind of a repeating thing. we get to that one, we got 4, 5, 4, 2. We're going to do 8 sets of this. End on that 4. So once again, from this, the little E. Okay, then we have a new little thing here. We have okay, so that was D string with the 3 on the second string, 2 O, and then 2 1 4. So it's, and then we put a 2 in the bass here. Same notes going down, and then we're gonna have a G string in the bass. And this one's different. Okay, so from that G bass one, we got 2 O 2 O 2 4 2 to the D, part of a D chord here, the 2 and the 3, and then we have this 5 and 4. Okay, so that's 5 and 4. 2 to open, so we got. So that's a real quick one, 5 to 4, 2 4 open, and then we have a. So 2 4 2 O 2 4 2 O, B string, and then B chord. So that was 3 and 3, 1 3 2 open, D. And then we're going to go 3s to the 5s. So it's second time was 3s to 6 5. So let's look at this thing again. We got and then we have that 5 and 4. And then we have our hammer-on pull-offs. Kind of hit quick one on that B chord, rap, and then 3s, 1 3 2 open open. Okay, so the first time we had the, and then it goes back into that, and all that. Now the second time when we finish with the, we have a long run that starts way down here. 5 3 5 3 1 open 3 1 3 2 open 3 2 open. And then a few more notes where we got to go back up and get them. So it's. Okay, so once again, we got. And then we're into a new part here. We're going to have. So 2 4, and then big bass on the 2 there with the 5 to 4 pull off. 2, and then that was D bass with a 2 to open and then 3, and that was these 2 2s here in the third and second string, 2 3 open, and then we're going to go back to this riff we've done a lot. Okay, so the first time we kind of go to that riff, and then we're going to go do it again. Here we're going to keep this riff going. So that was 3 and 2, hammering into the 3, and then a little open. And then we have 4 on the big string with 3 2 0. And then 2 on the big string with 2 to 3 to the little open. So this new part again is. And then we have these 4 and 3. 3 to 2 hammer again. And then kind of hit that 3 3 open. And then we're going to do a like reverse rake. Put a 4 in here and go. Okay, and then we're going to have. This one's going to be going up. So we got 2 4 5 4 5, and then D bass with a 7. So we have a 7 to 5 pull off with the D. Slide that up to the 12. We're going to hit the 11 in the bass with that 12. So it's. 10, 9. Now we're going to go 14 up here with the D bass. 14, 12, 10. And then we need to go 6 in the bass with the 10. 9 to 7. Now we have a 7 and 9. And then G string. So this whole high thing is. And then we have a cool chromatic descending. We have. So that was big D with the 5 down here. We want to make that go all the way down each note there. And then 2, 0, 3, 2, 3. And then we're going to go to the G string. Now this one's going to go 0, 3, 0. Then we're back to the first one. And you could just do this one again. But I have an optional one that I figured out a long time ago from the live version of this. And it would be. Jump it up to 10. So that's a cool little optional to throw in there. And then part B again. And then we're going back to the 4, 3, 2 open chord. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down. And kind of rake that one at the end. Back into that riff. Okay, so it's all like what we did before. Then we had the. And then this third time on this one, we're going to have a little different thing. Now we're going to go. So by itself, it'd be 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3. But you could put that bass in there with it. Now we're going to have G string and go up the neck here. 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, open. So that was. And then we have the. Okay, so once again from this third riff of the walk up. Then we have that 2 to 4, and then the 5/4 pull off with the 2-way in the bass. And we're going to do that one exactly twice. So. Now this is the one that goes up the neck. You could hit a couple extra ones this time. And then we have that. We're back to that chromatic, descending kind of thing. Here goes our ending. Okay, so that was the G string with that 5. And this one you might just do like a 5, 3, 2. 3, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, and then the 4th fret here, the G string. And then you walk up kind of a D chord there, and with the F sharp bass. So. All right, Mood for a Day by Steve Howe. We're going to go see him on Sunday night in Denver. So Steve Howe from Yes, from the great Fragile album. They're playing that whole album, so we're looking forward to that. So I'm going to try to make a video of this and put it on a different video where I perform the whole thing so you can see it kind of all the way through without having to stop all the time. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, y'all. Got 3 pages of tabs with this. We'll talk to you soon.